Hello everyone, and welcome to this look at the cold spell on the 29th of November 2023. So starting off with our GFS midnight run from Wednesday. So starting off today, Wednesday, there's a low from to the west, and that is going southwards on the northerly flow, and it's going to merge with this low pressure towards Biscay, and we go into this easterly flow as a result. Into Friday, we see some sort of slight gradients, so some showery bursts around coasts, some wintry, otherwise mainly dry and land. Into the weekends, it's mainly dry, frosty, and so on. Now, into next week, we see the low pressures staying to our south at the start, and that allows the cold weather to stay. However, towards the 5th of December and beyond that, we see the lows gearing up to the west and they move northwards, allowing these milder southerlies and westerlies to break through. And we just go through here and just constant bouts of low pressure. A very mild push towards the end of this run, but very wet as well. Stormy even, with big lows coming in. This is the GFS midnights upper temperature forecast for Dublin. So again, like we've seen recently, around here it's going to get milder, and it stays mild pretty much throughout. Some cold spells here, but nothing much. Snow row for Dublin, quite decent there. Wexford, not very many snow spikes there. Cork, not very many, but less than Wexford as well. Tipperary. Three big ones, but that's during the mild spell, so they're forecasting some sort of cold spell. I think they're with the cold members there. Cavan, again, some big ones, but unreliable. I highly doubt they come off. Letterkenny. Big ones here, but a few showers here. Dundalk. Yeah, huge ones here, but I say these ones are reliable. Going through, we have Galway. Nothing over the next few days, but a few big ones here. But I doubt they come off, as I say. And Limerick, finally. Limerick. Yeah, a few big ones, but as we can see, with these ensembles, the temperatures go milder. And there are a few members here that stay very cold, and I say they're the ones that have the snow spikes. Here is the GFS precip type forecast. So going through this, into Thursday morning, the showers start forming on the east coast, some wintry ones there as well. What happens then? Into Friday, the showers stay on the east coast. Also, they move into the north and northwest as well. After that, let's go to Saturday. So there's some sort of showery feature to our south there that is watching. After that, nothing really happens. Then we go through to next week. Nothing happens until Tuesday, Wednesday time, when the rain starts coming in and the milder air. And after that, it's just bouts of rain coming in from the west and southwest, windy as well. And yeah, that's how we look up on the 15th of December with these long fetch southwesterly winds. The ECMWF midnight run is like this. So Thursday with the low to the south, bringing these easterly winds. Friday, these northeasterlies. The weekends we're into the slack gradients, but this little trough needs watching. As we know, that may bring some more prolonged precip in some areas. Then this low, interestingly, comes up it's quite deep as well. May bring some widespread winteriness, and it goes away. Then this low actually brings a milder, and so we go through here, and that's quite stormy actually. And we go through, and it's just mild and stormy. The ECMWF. This is our ECM forecast of Dublin for a temperature forecast. Guess it's to the 4th of December, but getting milder then somewhat, but it's cold until then. There is no precip type forecast for this yet. It hasn't even updated. And here is the UK Met run that finally updated on weather. So here is our easterly flow coming in tomorrow, then backing northerly into the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. A little trough might need watching on Sunday. It might bring something a bit wetter. Then this low comes up through Monday. Upper temperatures with that's rain in the south and east probably, unfortunately, with that one. After that, just goes milder. Here is our UKV higher res precip type forecasts. So going through. Okay, Wednesday evening, Thursday morning. Here we go. Showers into the east coast, and actually going inland as well. A few wintry ones. Same through Thursday. The Wicklow Mountains could see snowfall. Snow accumulations from this. Just constant showers there, actually. And it'll be obviously of snow over high grounds. After that, the showers become confined to the east and southeast coasts. Into the weekend, we see the system coming in. Actually, not very wintry at all. It's mainly rainfall. That's because the low was centered more out here and drags in a more of a southwesterly influence. As a result, there's not much cold air with this low. Here is the GEM precip type forecast. So again, these easterlies becoming northerlies into the weekends. Is there something these very slight gradients will have slight troughs in them. Then this low comes up on Monday. Upper temperatures are cold everywhere, so widespread risk of winteriness. And these lows do get trending southwards, so yeah. After that, we see these big westers coming through, and we're back to normal. Here's our GEM upper temperature forecast for Dublin. Yeah, so we know around this time period it gets milder. A bit colder after that, possibly towards here, with the that white line dropping below the red line, with some really quite cold members down here, but that's unreliable. And here's our GEM precip type forecast. GEM, here we go. UK precip type. And here we go. Okay, so Wednesday, Thursday, showers into the east, otherwise not much. There's also showers into the north through Friday. Then it gets complicated with this system. It's mainly rain on this run. I think again we've got mild air tucking into the system, but snow from Northern England, big snow event there. Then this front just scrapes the southeast coast. After that, we go milder, wetter, and windier, and off we go running, and yeah, nothing. After that, here is the icon midnight run. So these easterly winds through tomorrow, into northerlies on Friday, and into the weekend, slight gradients. Upper temperatures look cold. With these troughs moving about into the weekend, into Monday, that logo goes towards France, Biscay, misses us, and then into Wednesday, Thursday, yeah, big southwesterly winds. Next thing I want to see is the icon precip type forecast. So UK precip type, where are you? Don't want that. Okay, so today a few showers on the east coast, probably not wintry yet, apart from high grounds. Then we see big showers coming in actually through tomorrow morning. Some wintry ones possible, very possible. Also into north there on Friday, but they're mainly in coastal areas. After that, to the weekends, these troughs move in. It doesn't really show it getting inland, but I think that these areas of rainfall, it shows here, but probably quite wintry. They'll push inlands. Well, the thing is, this is coming in during the day, so I say wintry risks limited, but if this were to come in 12 hours beforehand, that would be wintry. And after that, low to the south, showers through the Irish Sea. Finally, we have our arpege midnight run. Hover, get rid of this. Put the hover on. Again, the easter winds tomorrow, backing northerly through Friday. Some sort of trough. Is that a trough? Yeah, some sort of trough over us to the weekend that he's watching. And I actually think this one's going to bring some milder through Sunday. Big warm sector here. Could go wrong. We could break down as early as Sunday. um, anyway, arpege. The arpege midnight run, the precipitation forecast is like this. So you get your showers on the east coast tomorrow. Actually getting quite far inlands. So some winteriness could be seen inlands. After that, we go into these northerly showers, and nothing really happens apart from this little system that comes in, but probably with milder air. So thanks for watching. I will see you this evening. Enjoy the models, and bye for now.